All right, welcome back to the deep dive.
Good to be here.
So today, we are tearing into a massive Amazon bestseller. It's the FORIXO Golf Practice Net.
Oh, yeah. I've seen this one everywhere.
I mean, 80,000 golfers have bought this thing. The promise is you can transform your swing, right from your own backyard. Our mission today is to figure out if it's a genius training hack or, well, maybe a disaster waiting to happen.
And I think we know where this is going to start, the price.
Exactly. I mean, the deal they're offering, it looks incredible for you, the learner. You get this huge 10 by 7 foot net,
Right.
a match, some balls, targets, the whole setup. And it costs about the same as like 3 mediocre trips to the driving range.
And that's the hook, right?
Right.
That price immediately frames the core conflict here.
What do you mean?
Well, you're talking about a product that's designed to stop a tiny, hard missile
Yeah, a golf ball.
flying at, over 100 miles per hour. So the materials, the construction, that's everything.
Okay, so let's get into the promise, what they're actually advertising. On paper, it sounds fine.
It does.
It says 420D Oxford fabric with nylon mesh, and it's rated to stop balls traveling up to 200 miles per hour.
Which, for an average golfer, sounds like more than enough.
Totally.
But it only sounds sufficient until you understand what that D actually means.
Okay.
That stands for denier. It's basically the weight, the density of the fabric. And the 420D they're using here is, well, it's about half the material weight of a premium net.
Half.
Premium nets, they start at 900D or even higher.
So it's sort of like comparing a paper plate to a ceramic dish. I mean, they both hold food, but...
That's a perfect way to put it.
Exactly.
But only one is built to last. You are paying for a trade-off.
Okay, so what's the trade-off?
You're getting these budget 0.4-inch fiberglass poles instead of steel frames, and you're running on, like we said, half the fabric density you would probably need for real longevity.
And this is where we found, I think, the smoking gun.
Let's hear it.
When we looked on Amazon for replacement parts, we found an entire thriving cottage industry that only sells replacement fiberglass poles for these budget golf nets.
That says it all, doesn't it? That is a massive red flag about the structural integrity.
It absolutely confirms where the weak spots are.
It's the joints and the poles themselves. And the customer reports, they don't mince words. We saw reviews talking about the net ripping on day one.
I saw one that said 12 swings.
12 swings and catastrophic failure. And the consequence is simple, right? The ball just rips right through the net.
And keeps on going.
Which brings us to the crucial realization for you, the person thinking about buying this. A premium net might cost you, say, 3 times the price of this FORIXO.
Right.
But our sources strongly suggest it'll give you maybe 10 times the longevity. This budget net, it works. For a while.
But its shelf life is measured in months, not years.
Exactly. It survives if you're gentle. But one strong drive, one gust of wind, and you're back on Amazon ordering replacement parts.
And beyond it just, falling apart, there are these daily annoyances.
Oh, yeah.
The target pockets, they only attach at 2 points, not all 4.
So they hang loose.
They hang loose, and when you hit one, it makes this surprisingly loud popping sound.
I can imagine. Not great if you have close neighbors.
Not at all. And, crucially, this set leaves out features like a sloped ball return system.
Which sounds minor, but it's not.
It's not. It means you're stopping to collect every single ball by hand after, 5 swings? It just kills the rhythm of your practice.
So if we're summarizing this deep dive, the FORIXO net gives you really high upfront value and, adequate performance.
Right, until that stress event happens.
Exactly. It's a functional piece of gear, but durability is absolutely the sacrifice it makes.
Which brings up a really important question you need to ask yourself before clicking buy.
Right.
If the proven shelf life is only a few months, is that budget price really saving you any money?
That's the real question. Or are you just spreading the cost of buying 3 of these nets over a single year?
Which would make the whole thing way more expensive than just buying the premium product one time.
Exactly. Something to think about, that long-term value.